In this video, I'll show you how to download Microsoft Office for free using the official method. Open up Chrome and search config office.com and you will get this config.office.com. Scroll down, create a new configuration, select create. Architecture, set this to 64-bit. Office suites, click on the drop down and select this to Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 volume license, and then scroll down. Under apps, turn on the apps you need. I'm going with this four of it: PowerPoint, Word, Excel, Outlook, and then click on the drop down in language, select this to English. On right side, select export option, select Office Open XML formats and select OK. Select accept and select export. Once the export done, open up new tab and search Office Deployment Tool. Click on the Microsoft Office official site. Sorry, select the first site and select download option. Select the exe and select the yes option. Install this. Select the downloads folder. Select OK. File extracted successful. Click on OK. Now navigate to downloads. Right click on blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder Office. Then press enter. Select this configuration and setup. Drag and drop inside the Office. Now open the Office folder. Copy this file path and go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. In command prompt, type cd space, paste the path with Control V and press enter. And now open up Chrome and open new tab and search Office Deployment Tool 2024, and you will get this Deploy Office LTSC 2024. Click on this and scroll down. Find this or install Office LTSC 2024 by using the Office Deployment Tool. Copy this command and paste it in command prompt. Paste with Control V and press enter. You need to wait for this installation done. The installation done, close stuff here. We have successfully installed. Go to search menu and type where that has installed Excel installed. I'll show you guys it's working. Accept the license agreement. Click on accept and close. Now you can start your work. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.